Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning Part 1, maybe soon to be Dead Reckoning Not Part 1, because there's a rumor they're going to change the title. Anyway, here is an unboxing of the 4K Steelbook. This thing just arrived today. It is icy cold from sitting on the porch. See how the outside looks. Fortunately, it looks like Amazon managed to deliver a Steelbook without destroying it, so kudos for that. Let's look inside. Definitely necessary. Stickers are on the outside. See how aggressively this is glued on. Oh. Okay, stuck on the back. Oh, cool. All right. Ooh, 3 discs. There's the 4K. Here is the Blu-ray plus special features. There we go. And just special features. Nice. Oh gosh, it's on there tight. Very cool. It's got like a very classic design to it. I know it doesn't match the other Steelbooks, but that's okay, because I actually don't have the other Steelbooks. There we go. Excited to watch that. I have a out of the theater reaction / rant on this movie that you could check out. I'll put a link for it in here. Anyway, there you go. There is the Steelbook. Looks good. Okay, watch for a review soonish. Bye.